Hi, and welcome to the Precision Machining program here at Gateway Community College. My name is James Smith, and I am the senior instructor here, and I'd like to show you around a little bit. The first area I'd like to focus on is our Metrology Lab. Now, this is where we inspect all the parts. Here's where we teach the students how to measure the parts very precisely as they would in industry. So if you follow me inside the lab, and I'll show you around. So this is our Metrology Lab, where we teach the students how to measure the parts. We teach them by using these slabs of granite with the various high precision instruments. Then this helps the students validate what they're actually machining. Over here is our tool crib. This is where we keep all of our perishable tooling, like end mills, drills, and different types of tools, etc. Over here is a little work area where the students would validate their codes on some simulators. Over here we have some CMMs. These are bigger machines than you saw in the Metrology Lab, and these are where the students measure their parts digitally and then compare them to actual measurements they do on the flat plate granite work. Over here in this area, all along here, we have about 10 manual mills that we do manual machining with. So this is going to be the first big machines that the students hit. In our curriculum, we start them off on the manual machines so they can learn basics, and then they could take those core skills that they learned on the manual machines and they'll graduate over to the CNC machines. Over here we have manual lathes. It's the same process. They learn manual machining on the lathes. These are for turning parts. And after they get done learning some basic core skills on the manual lathes, they will graduate over to the CNC area where they'll apply those core skills and basic job setup. During the student's tenure here, usually they're working before they even graduate. The program is about 9 months long. The students graduate with a certificate and are eligible to sit in for a NIMS certification. All instructors are NIMS certified. For more information, please visit gatewaycc.edu.